Okay, just arrived here a couple hours ago. Never been behind the Crown Plaza. Let's have a look. And we're still in business. Usually they got the sandbags all piled up in the back. I don't know if I could reach the back. What time is it? 5 after 8. River is going up fast. Oops. How you doing? Good. Is she reaching the back? Oh yeah.
No matter how high it's gonna go, eh?
Oh yeah, it's gonna go high. Because it's all because of the clear cutting, eh?
Is it?
Oh yeah, there's all kinds of clear cutting going on in the deep woods.
And it's just flowing right down.
It's just flowing right down. It's going to be like this every year. But you don't expect the European media to answer that. I got the video on. Watch it. By the way, quit smoking.
Okay.
Quit smoking. Go.
Deal.
Go to YouTube. Write Charles LeBlanc 57.
Okay. Did you have one on last year?
Yeah, my friend died, and I did a video.
Okay.
She always, what she told me, I told her you're wheezing. What she told me? Oh yeah, fuck off. There's nothing I hated more. She hated more was a reformed smoker.
Yeah.
And then she died, 57 years old, cancer, lung cancer.
Yeah.
But just because of that. Tell the government to F off.
Yeah, really though.
Yeah,
my grandfather died of cancer.
Oh yeah, you got the gene. You will die.
Yeah.
She'll never see her grandkids grow. She's dead. She would listen to me, she would be alive. Yeah, it gets pretty filthy at the end, huh?
You're right.
Look at that. I'm gonna go have a look behind. How long it took to be up here?
Probably 3 hours.
3 hours? This will be the last time I'll be able to have a look. I'll do a video, then I'll take some pictures. Yep. And they're ready every year. What a mess. Well, now. Picture time.